Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your black screen or no signal on your TV for your Xbox One. Now, one of the reasons why this is happening is because the TV that you plugged in your Xbox to does not support the current console resolution. So we want to go ahead and start our Xbox One into a low resolution mode. And this is easy. So we want to go to the front of the Xbox and hold down the Xbox button right here. And we want to continue to hold it down until the Xbox One turns off. So if you just press it once quickly, it's going to put it into like an instant power mode where it's not going to be completely turned off. So you can see the light is off. I'm going to locate the eject button and the Xbox button right here. And I'm going to hold both of these down. So we're going to hold this down for about 10 to 20 seconds. And we're going to keep holding this down until we see our Xbox One start up on the screen and it's in the low resolution mode. So it turned on. Now I'm going to continue to hold this button down, and then I'm going to wait until my Xbox One actually starts up. So I just heard that beep. I can go ahead and then let go. So you can see my Xbox One is in the low resolution mode, indicated by the bars on the side of the screen. So this is like 480p or something, and I have a 4K TV. So if you did have an unsupported resolution that was set on your Xbox One, it should be reset now, and you should see an image on your screen that looks similar to this. Now that we're on the home screen here, we can go on over to settings and then select this. Then under settings, let's go to TV and display options, and then go to the resolution, and then change this to 4K or 1080p, whatever you want to set it to, and then keep the setting. So it looks a lot better now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.